Thank you very much. Truth be told, that there's nothing that sets us apart from any of you who are sitting down there. With or without recognition, I truly believe we are all outstanding and successful in our own unique ways. Of course, we have Dr. Fermento, the actress, Ms. Rosemary Salita, my classmate from the government, and sa lahat tayo pare-parehas na. PNU President, Dr. Bert J. Kruga, my 9th president after BBM. BBM is my 8th president. So I started in the government at immediately after graduation, 1980. My first boss was former Melda. Okay. Dr. Glenda De Lara and her Alumni Relations Office team who supported the Kawad Food Program and supported me as well. Hindi po siya napapagod na sagutin na lahat ng aking katanungan about the awarding ceremony. Naging BFF na rin po kami. PNC High School, March 78. My friends, ladies and gentlemen, I stand before you today not as someone separate or different, but as a reminder of something truly important, that we are all in our own right remarkable. I would like to thank PNU officials, especially President Bert J. Kruga, who is currently steering our alma mater, the Philippine Normal University, towards positive development and greater heights. On behalf of all my batchmates, I would like to express our appreciation to you and the whole PNU officials, as it is a great honor to be back in our inang pamantasan, the Philippine Normal University, formerly known as the Philippine Normal College. The Gawad Sulu for Eminent Alumni Award that I received is not just a testament of how far I have reached in life, but also of how excellent my foundation is and still living with the core values of PNU: truth, excellence, and service. All my accomplishments and recognitions at work will never be a reality if it weren't for the pieces of learnings, values, and virtues I have gained from the great university. For that, I am very thankful. Thank you, mga teachers ko. This award isn't just mine. It belongs to everyone who has contributed to my journey. It belongs to those who laid the foundation for me to dream big, and to those who continue to inspire me to push further. We are all outstanding in our own right, and that's something worth celebrating. That's why we have this gathering. Again, as I have said, there is nothing that sets us apart from each other. With or without recognition, we are all in our own right outstanding and remarkable. This is Jocelyn Fragata Villegas, calling Bubbles, or Jokai for short, a proud alumnus of our inang pamantasan, the Philippine Normal University. And I just want to make sure, gentlemen, I will not take too much of the time of our president. I will be turning over or presenting to you. If you're familiar with the Mother of all Maps, this is the Murillo Velarde 1734 map, which is known to be the mother of all Philippine maps. This was drawn by Father Pedro Murillo Velarde and published in 1734. It is considered to be the first and most important scientific map of the Philippines. This is housed in the newly inaugurated permanent gallery of the National Library of the Philippines. And now, a copy will be presented to Philippine Normal University at the Office of the President. So, sir, we request you to receive our memento. You will have a copy of this Mother of All Maps, which is now housed in the National Library. Sir, thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. This will be a good addition to our museum, our teacher education museum. So we'll put it there. Thank you.
So, kung hindi sila makapunta sa National Library for
Pwede na. Yes.
Sir, thank you very
Thank you
much.
so much.
Forward kami, sir, marami na kami mga events sa labas. Okay? So, Ms. Mia, I think we're done. And thank you very much. Okay, may DVD pa raw, sir. And then we will be inviting you for some snacks for now. Ang dami nilang dinala. Thank you very much, Sharon. Talk about brought the attention over the
Thank you so much po.